As you can see, man, we took the L's today, man. I entered on these things 4 times. 2 on mine and 2 on my old ladies. And we got the quadruple L. But let's get to the vlog.
Yeah, man. Just left the gym. Took some L's off them off-whites, blazers, both colorways. But I got some of that waiting for me, so I'm about to go get that. Get to the unboxing. Let's go. Go that pack.
YouTube, what it do? It's your boy GuttaRican Kickz, and we back, man. I told you this was coming, man. And you see where it's from. You see that tape? Nike, man. Let's get it. Okay. Yeah, this came. I entered to pay for these, and I hit. So as you seen in the last video, we're gonna go ahead and open these things up. Oh yeah, all white box. Okay, all white box. Gold Jumpman, gold ring, combo box though. 10.5 Air Jordan 5 wings. Let's get it, man. This box is nice and sturdy, real good condition box. Ooh, come with his wings. Everyone can fly. That's what it say. Know what I'm saying? Got this little wings. Is Jordan Brand's community impact platform inspired by Michael Jordan's legacy of greatness and committed to education. Okay, it's pretty much just telling you what it's about. You know what I'm saying? Where they came from. You can press pause if you want to look at that. But let's get to the kicks. Yes, so this was inspired by some kids, I guess. You know what I'm saying? These is dope. These is dope. Come with 2 laces, some teal color and some black ones. Already come with the white laces. Got the 3M on the tongue. As you see the glow in the dark, that glow in the dark right here. I guess the lace lock glow in the dark too. Yeah, man, these dope. These is dope. Okay, this other one right here, the other pair. Go ahead and put these on. Yeah, this is dope, man. I really like this, man. How they did these, man. I ain't even gonna count, man. They did a good job with the boxing and all. So, yeah, man. Did y'all hit? Did y'all go after these or what, man? Cause these is dope, man. I can't believe what I'm seeing right now. The quality on these, the effort, the design. Ooh, this leather soft too. Real soft leather, man. Real soft. Oh yeah, you see that wrinkle in there? Oh yeah, man. Like I said, I got red Jumpman in the back. The bottom of these things, clear white, black Jumpman. Yeah, these dope. Yeah, man. I guess both sides got different stuff in them, as you see. Black Crime. You see that? Ceasefire and all that. I like how they got the Jordan on the basketball on. That's dope. Yeah, man. These hard, man. These really hard. Wing on the tongue. Red Jumpman inside. Yup, on both. Same thing, say wings. Like I said, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to a little black pearl. I guess little black pearl Kiteman.org. I think that's what it say down there. But yeah, man, these kits is dope, man. They did a hell of a job on these things, man. Hell of a job. With the 3M and all these things glowing. Them bitches clean, boy. Who caught? Leave a comment below. Let me know if y'all went after these or y'all slept. Cause I know a lot of people was going after these. What's crazy though, how these was at 400 for resale. You know what I'm saying? They dropped down to like 250. Like, ain't really hitting, I guess, but shit, it don't matter. I got these for me. Them bitches clean. You feel me? You already know they glow in the dark. You can just tell by looking at them things. I'll probably show it in a little bit or something. Yeah, man, these dope. With the chill on them things and all, man. This is dope, man. Look at that design. Yeah, these is dope, man. Y'all got these or not? Let me know, like I said, in the comments, man. Like I said, go ahead and hit that like. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Go ahead and support your boy, GuttaRican Kickz. You know, I try to bring you that fresh stuff, that new stuff. You already know. Alright, let me show y'all what it look like in the dark. You see how it's glowing? That wing glowing right there. I ain't get too much light on it, but you see the color of it. Yeah, that's them though. Yeah, you seen them right here, man. You seen them. That was in the dark. Alright, man. That's how they look like with the light off. You see them without the 3M on them? That's what they look like. Well, there you have it, guys. That's what they looking like. So go ahead and, like I said, drop that like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so you can be part of the GuttaRican Kickz game. And you know what I'm saying? And we out this thing, man. So like we're gonna say, we're gonna sound out like I always do. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy GuttaRican Kickz, and we out there, bitch. Y'all.
Oh man, you creep. You ain't walk around me. You ain't walk around G's. You done lost your respect, but you ain't never had mine. Look at my face and my eyes. You know I ain't lying. I'll never drop a dime. Fuck nigga, I'm a hoe. I ain't a hoe like you. Fuck nigga, on fold. Look at that nigga, he weird. Everything about him weird. I don't fuck with your kind. Fuck nigga, you weird. Everything you stand for, fuck nigga, is weird. Everything you stand for, fuck nigga, is weird. Look at that nigga, he weird. Everything about him weird. I don't fuck with your kind. Fuck nigga, you weird. Everything you stand for, fuck nigga, is weird. Everything you stand for, fuck nigga, is weird. Fuck nigga, you weary. Talking all that gangsta, frontin' on the book. Like a nigga won't spank ya, like a nigga can't touch ya. Boy, you must be crazy. Boy, I'm from the city, where all my niggas get silly. You don't want these problems, chopper quick to resolve them. Keep playing that whole shit.